Hi, this is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom.
We're going to be putting black plastic out on the garden. It's mid-February so that it can block all the incoming little sprouts of weeds that like to come up in the early spring. And the black plastic shields them from the sun so that they die. Plus, it adds a little extra warmth to the soil when we're getting ready to plant.
I'm starting with raking up just to get some of the big pieces away. Then I used the black plastic and I asked for help. So I had my husband help me, and we just spread the plastic over the garden, and then we weigh it down with different rocks and bags of mulch that we haven't used yet. We also use garden staples. They actually look like a giant staple, and that helps to hold the plastic down. We used 4 sheets of black plastic to cover our entire garden. Now, those weeds that try to come up are going to die, and we will be ready to plant here in just a few months. This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@iowamom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.